So Chloe doesn't get dragged with it.
Alright, Shane, you can do it, right? Because I don't know what.
Oh, what?
We're trading gloves. What we're gonna do? Yes, what? I don't know. I didn't ask her.
What? Why? Is it fine if I use these?
I guess. I'll just have to wash them afterward. So what are we doing here?
Alright. So gloves.
I gotta get this one.
Have Molly drag the sled over.
Come on, Mo. Come on, Molly. Come on, big girl.
What are they doing to this poor dog? My goodness.
Come on, girl.
Hello?
Dad, come here.
I can't keep up with you guys.
Come here, Molly.
Check this one out, guys. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Chloe's going for a little ride. She just almost fell off.
That's cute.
That is so cute.
Come on,
Oh, that was cute.
That was cute, and I got it all on tape.
Yes, good.
Oh, shit. There goes the dog.